up, y'all? Welcome back to Cooking with Jay. We are doing a series on easy vegetarian meals. These are crunch wraps we are preparing today. As you can see, these are all the ingredients. We usually like to make sure our ingredients are organic, non-GMO, but as you can see, today we're working with what we got. And trust me, it's still gonna be good. These are all our seasonings. As you can see, we got sassoon, curry powder, and this is lemon pepper. We're putting it on the rice because rice be nice and plain sometimes, so you gotta make sure you season him up right. If you feeling lazy, Sprouts has pre-cut up pico de gallo. And they got a little, what is this? A little tri-pepper mix, you know, just to make sure that you being as efficient in the kitchen as possible. A dozen Cousins refried beans. Now, these are delicious and already seasoned. I love these beans, organic, non-GMO. You can use any type of cheese that you want. We got this kind from Sprouts. We love us some Sprouts. If you haven't been, go ahead and try it out. And then feel free to use fresh avocado, guacamole. This one just so happens to be cup version. These are the tostada shells that are going to give it the crunch. And this is from Sprouts as well. I love this salsa. Don't get the hot kind though. If you like getting burnt up, that's on you, but find you some big fat old tortillas. These are the mission kind, not the best kind. Get you some nice organic ones. It's up to you though. This is all we had. Check out this rice though, the season, the flair, the flavor. Oh my. This whole meal was inspired by our boy Jay. He is so he's always coming up with new meals, new ideas. Look how he's spreading that guac on that tortilla. This is step number 1, by the way. Spread you the guac. We just so happen to get the cup guac this time. It's not something that we usually do, but you feel me? Fun fact about Jay, he actually loves to cook. This is something that he finds passionate about, so I hope you guys enjoy his little meals. I see your knees, that's dress code. Anyway, as you can see, he's going in with the tri-pepper mix from Sprouts. Put as much as you want, you know, the more veggies, the merrier, the more nutrients you getting. Keep putting in that pico de gallo, as you can see. There's no measurements around here, baby. Just do whatever you feel, whatever looks right, whatever. Hey, let the ancestors tell you when you need to stop. You know what you need to do. This part is actually optional. I was looking at him when he was putting this on. I was like, you sure you want to put that on right now? You can put the sauce on after, trust. Cheese time. Now this is vegetarian. Cheese is optional. If you want to make this vegan, it's totally veganizable. And the thing about it is it's gonna taste good whether it's cheesed or not. So I will say that at the end, when we put it on the presser, the cheese is what makes the tortilla stick together. I'm sure that there's some vegan cheeses out there that you can use as another replacement for that. But yeah, he's putting on a little rice now, a little seasoned rice. Yes, ma'am. Set up your old reliable George Foreman presser. You can use any presser. Get that thing, heat it up, because it's almost time, baby. So we take out one of our little tostada shells. We take the beans, spread them joints all over the tostada shell. And while it's on the presser, they're going to heat up by themselves. But you can heat them up in advance on a stovetop or in a microwave. We don't recommend microwaves. I will say the pre-chopped veggies cut down on the time, but look how he's, boom, upside down, face down, put them beans on there. Look at my perfectionist self. You guessed it. Woo! More cheese. Here comes the fun part. Look at the skill at which. This man did this by himself. He comes out talking about we got some veggie wraps ready, or crunch wraps. I was like, what you talking about? He showed me how he did it. One thing about him, he'll just sit there and watch how something's done. Like, you know how they be serving these at Moe's? I get this at Moe's all the time. And he literally just watched how they did it. And look at how he's just pinching the little corners in. Boom, right there. Now hold that. Hey, this is the most skillful part right here. Slowly transport that joint on over to the presser. Bing. Ooh. Now good luck closing that bit before the sides open, for real. I would like to see you do it. Watch how he does it. Now we play the waiting game. Just keep opening it every now and then. You'll realize and see that the cheese is actually keeping it closed, so it's not gonna be a problem from here on out. Keeping them flaps closed. Look at that. Oh my God. Ooh, looks like it's ready. A little fast forward motion for you. Boom. I'ma shut up, but I need y'all to hear this crunch when he goes to cut this bit open.
I'm gonna stack it on top of each other.
I know y'all didn't forget about the salsa. This is where the salsa comes in. Sauce is optional. Sauce is whatever you want to sauce it up. Sauce game strong over here. Sauces make or break. Look at that. This really proves that you don't always need meat to really enjoy a meal. Legend has it this man came out the womb smiling. That concludes episode 1 of Cooking with Jay. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know what it do. Y'all will see us in the next video. Love y'all. Bye-bye.
I'm happy. Leave me alone. I'm happy.
Sway.